Banner ads are a major contributor to our paid forward rewards, with a generous 20% of all advertising fees redistributed back to active users. Similar to our Boost Your Post feature, banner ads rotate in a circulation at the top of the newsfeed, ensuring equal exposure for all advertisers. There are no complicated algorithms controlling impressions or clicks. Every ad follows a simple equal rotation system, providing fair visibility for everyone. To get started, simply click Create Banner and add in all the required information: title, link, banner, etc. At the bottom, add your text description of your banner ad. There's also a couple more options to click on to feature your ad on your profile in the top of your timeline, and also an auto renew feature. Once your info is all filled in, click Next, and you will be redirected to this preview page where you can double check all your information and select the current payment option in BNB PIF tokens, then click Submit. Your ad will be sent for review and approval. Once approved, payment will be deducted from your PIF token spending account. Once your banner ad is approved by our team, it will begin appearing in the rotating circulation within the newsfeed. All banner ads placed within our ecosystem have an equal opportunity to be displayed. There is no hierarchy or bidding system that allows any advertiser to dominate exposure over one another. We believe in creating a level playing field for every advertiser, ensuring fair visibility regardless of your budget.